said to you that I never wanna love another woman, girl, it was true. So true, I meant to marry you. And when I did, I wouldn't want to take care of you. For you, now you say you wanna leave me, girl. When around you I have built my world. Whatever you heard about me, baby, is definitely crazy. Please give me one chance to show. Oh, for me, oh, my baby, oh, look for me, Lord, my baby, my chef, me say that I like, do not see me, oh, look for me, oh, baby, oh, look for me, oh, my baby, oh, baby. Another woman no one can do, but you, I pause my heart for you. When you come home, you be the one to make it move, only you. But before you finally leave me, girl, think about what you do to my world. Whatever you do to hurt me, baby, it's gonna drive me crazy. Please give me one chance to show. Please don't make me cry. Oh, baby, my chef, me say that I like. Do what you stay, girl. Oh, baby, my baby, I'm calling you, girl. My chef, me say that I like. Do what you stay with me. The one to make me smile. You could be the only one to make me want to have a child. You could be the one I take on a date down the aisle and be the first and the last girl to become my bride.
Legendary beat.
Yeah, be yo. Yeah, be yo. Yeah, be yo. Yeah, be yo.
I get girl from my yard, make a big back away, they make me feel amazing, girl. I get one way they give me things I need. I get one way they make me feel nice. She's so that's why I believe I'm girl. I get one they want give me keys and leave. But my bedroom is final. We see baby baba now. I get well designer. Everything way I give I'm final. I know like Walla, but we see baby baba now. When it drop, everybody know they tired. All of the girls go do anything for my love. All of the boys go do anything for the money. Then they dance to my music and they show me love. Girls wanna touch one another, want to love. Say I got one life, make I leave, I'm see I don't try. Us for street I don't like. Now see me, I done the job life. Yeah, it's fine. The girls they like where designer. We see baby,
my people, show them. Oh yeah, drop door. Come on. Everybody now. Come on,
baby,
He don't do. Vanity upon vanity. They're leaving and I say we're going to play till tomorrow. Una, good evening and welcome on top of the night show for today. My name is Landedu _ me, Katim, and Easy Beat. And don't sit down to make sure your evening goes super well. How your day today? Hope say while not today for your office place. Some of them go down the close. Some people go down the close office by now. No, by tomorrow.
20, no.
By tomorrow, today na 17, tomorrow na 18. Some company go close 18. Okay, maybe some go on Monday.
On Monday, yeah.
On Monday.
They cannot close
on
tomorrow.
Monday.
Why? What's the problem that we close tomorrow?
We want to celebrate.
No, it's not. Which bosses go agree? You say, we know. We are speaking from experience.
The problem we say day now. We say some companies where they do end of year. Well, make a leave. What talk about? Anyway, we'll get guests for inside the studio today. In fact, the guest for the show now the king of comedy himself. In fact, number one, if you talk about comedy, now be number one, now be the shrine, now be the god for inside Nigeria when it comes to comedy. None older, none other.
So suppose, suppose in no be start this comedy. Now be say all this.
Nobody!
No, in other words, now be Moses in the Bible.
Now be Moses now.
Yeah,
now be Moses. So when it comes to comedy, Ali Baba now be Moses.
Who can be Aaron?
Aaron, no, now him go choose who be Aaron because they are Aaron sis.
Oh no, okay. One Moses and plenty.
We're playing Moses. So this one is, but there's only one Moses, which is Ali Baba.
So we go ask him.
Who in? You want to put him for trouble with that?
No.
You want to put him for trouble because some of them they watch Go TV now. Some of them get Go TV for us. Some will say, wait, you go call somebody. You go send me. Maybe the guy, babe, go there. Say, baby, don't worry. Baby,
you don't stand up for
baby, it's you. Baby, I know you.
I know.
Baby, I hear you crack jokes.
You have come a long way.
Like, hold on, baby. Is it not you? Those materials you were dropping like fire, baby, he will call you.
God, leave it. I'm the one telling you.
When Ali will come to say, well, the Aaron of comedy
You don't stand up for house.
For house. You go on jump up. The Aaron of comedy is... Baby, nobody is beef. They have caucus. They have inner caucus. Illuminati is their inner caucus. We know them. Anyway, join us as we welcome the king of comedy himself, Ali Baba. Also, wait. This is why I talk now of if they're not choose person, they go talk inner caucus and lie, be a lie. You say? This choosing who be also, but you know, say na so they always talk. Say na inner caucus. If you not,
Even before you enter inner caucus, it's beef. I don't tell you now. This industry, they go do like say they like you, but I don't tell you they don't like you. They don't like you. It's because they go say. You know, say even tell me you come one event one time, you know, come. That is why he no call your name. They would argue over. I'm telling you. Or by the way, maybe my brother leave him. Say maybe he believe in you, but he no just won't call you.
No, the thing when he be say that everybody they talk now in a caucus. They go say no, leave him. If not be governor, if not be laugh up,
if not be prince,
if not be they will just name all of them.
You see,
now the people. No, because then they go in house.
So you don't even they hear them for radio.
You know they hear them for Nigeria.
You say you two even go far. Listen to them for radio.
No, listen to them. Now so now in that caucus, I say a lie, I be a lie.
Cathy, how now? How you doing?
Yes! This is my in-law, my one and only in-law. Da Yahuda kompo. Nka weken bom you. Da Yahuda kompo.
Una dey allow this language for this.
Nka weken bom me. Ake tobi yoko. Ido go this generation ken kidi yonga bonga wo. Ido ida amio. Ama neke bagi. That's idi yonga tonga ke tonga no.
But una dey on DSTV that is subtitling this one.
Honestly. I do that side ken kidi tonga ndi yonga bonga wo. Ido go mfen. After we go oh it's my brother, it's my brother. I do original brother Mikedo. I do original Moses ke Bible. I say so and yes the yama sing ba kere ko nye. I say the sandala Moses. Anyendro. Somebody young on you from far. Ndi young of family mo. Ndi young of toy and mo. Ndi young of everything at the pack.
Say take you lick soup.
He say take the whole thing lick soup.
So,
That attempt we talk now. How you do now? That's that audio do now.
That's the real way that this boy sing about.
I work out of the studio, born in a name and talk on a yomi. Italian copy do 2016 kind of things. So, yes, and I'm not in the core, and yes, all the insights. Don't worry, inner caucus, beef is beef that is worrying everybody. Is beef. Is beef and inner caucus. The inner caucus. The inner of the inner. You know, say, don't the people say make a decision. Chief makers and king makers.
Yeah, she's talking about the Union of Ife now.
Okay, so now welcome to our night show. It's me and
you talk Nyesom Wike. Union of Ife.
I come on Nyesom Wike. Who is that?
Nyesom Wike. That artist way feature the band. Anyway, our phone numbers will be on TV. And for those of you who want to call, today we'll talk to the king of comedy himself in Nigeria, Ali Baba. Make una begin call. Now be Ali Baba. We get our own fake Ali Baba. We get big belly. We black. No, not be that
But I
one.
tell you, when I first come, before program starts, this guy they talk something. And if Baba say yes, boss, he say no, not you, not
Yeah,
you.
born is the way to come. No, now.
And if that one black, he black like burnt offering.
Oh, like Nigerian.
Na Nigeria, no. Oh, you think it's na Congo or Sudan?
No,
No, maybe Senegal. No, I mean, don't Senegal.
You don't say Koran plenty for this place. I see the big madam. The waka pass me, not greet. I greet her, no answer. So I can't look, I can't see her husband. I can't say, I just greeted her now. She didn't answer. So she doesn't answer me too.
My brother, so what do you want to? What do you want to?
Yeah, remember, he doesn't answer me too. So you and I same problem. You and I same problem. I greet her, she don't answer. You greet her, she don't answer. What's the problem?
What do we do?
Voulez-vous ça?
Voulez-vous ce point?
It's okay.
Okay. Also, the biggest event of next year, of every year, in fact, the biggest event of every year,
When this thing
January 1 concert, it started this year.
Okay, started this year.
It started this year.
Oh,
January 1st concert, as in, also, I'm not going to like give you. Eh? I did look for, I don't tell you now.
Yeah,
so
that time
you
they
join
look for
me one
cloth.
kind.
Even they look for cloth to wear to go that event.
No,
I remember.
na
No,
suit.
even that time, you they look for cloth. You don't
The thing is, if you want climb stage, you must wear dinner suit.
I get dinner suit now. Dinner suit is...
No, which one? The red one or the yellow one where you get?
No,
be that
no,
one,
black and white. Dinner suit.
I get black and white now, also. I get some.
No, be this one where they wear.
No, this one are black. I get black. You know, so I get black and white.
Yes, you get black
I get
and
black
white.
and white. I get which color? No, only
No,
green
no,
and
no,
not get.
you
And
know,
not
no,
quite
no,
blue.
You get black and white.
I
No,
get
the
black
one I
and
know
white.
say you get blue, you get red. You can't get.
I get not be red.
get
na
bow
maroon.
tie?
I get bow tie. Bow tie is
Yeah, which color?
More than one.
more than one bow tie. Also,
Well,
not
only
try
one go.
me.
Wait, I went away.
Also, not try me. Not try me. Don't try. I know myself. Bow tie. All the things we get tie, I get them. My bow,
Shoelace.
my tie,
Get
my
them.
shoelace, all of them. As long as I say they tie neck, even if na scarf, also I get them. That people then motor one now.
So we'll be there live and direct every here, but I don't know. I forgot what make him start this thing in October 1. No.
January 1. Also, what make you start up?
Because, you know, see, a ferry. Of blessed memory. When we were at Ferry Day, you know, January 1st, every time New Year, people will call house. Not forget, say, January 1st, when people don't go crossover service.
Yes.
So people will come house around 3, some will come around 4, some will come around 5.
Yes.
Then some people go sleep. There's some church where they
Yes.
do long throat. Go cause see what make people come again.
Money
for
time is.
you know, collect the osusu for offering. Then they'll come and say you get to do your first
fruit.
seed, first seed. So people will come church that day again, drop first fruit. Then when they go home, now sleep. They'll come sleep, go reach like 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock. Then when you wake, people will come begin to visit you, or you go they plan to go visit people.
Yes.
By the time you know what thing they happen, that whole day don't finish.
You don't finish.
Nothing when you do, no celebration. People will just come house, chop rice.
So if anything.
And now, the other thing, so people when they travel for Christmas, when you carry money go for Christmas, you spend from 23rd to 26th. When 27th reach, you go begin run. Because if they catch you for village for New Year, your Happy New Year greeting go plenty. But I don't get one friend where he travel. We send money go meet her now. He traveled in 2008. Traveled. And that 2008, don't forget, that be that time when market crash.
Yes, stock market, where people lose plenty money.
He said, who send out? He go greet the people now.
After stock market crash,
He
you get the
he
mind.
travel with about 800K. When he reached there, for a mind,
10
say,
days.
no, for a mind, say by the time they come back for New Year, he hold like 200. When he reached there, roof, breeze blow roof, toilet sink, bathroom where the bath don't fall, they buy block, mold new bathroom, mold this one, do everything.
Where we come from abroad.
So when everything done, they okay, finish. When he check in pocket, 250. Christmas never reach. Like Papa tell us, say, you know, say this Christmas, as him be diokpa. He go invite people, they will come, so they're going to go buy. Thank God, say, then they do a gogoro and shinap thing. So by the time they do that one, put cola, he can get like 180. He can begin to look, say, man, you know, if he stay reach New Year. Because if New Year cash out for that village,
Nah, die.
he go borrow.
Now night boss, he go follow come back.
So when they just reach like 29th, he say one run, come back. Come call us, we can send money, go meet her.
So 29 money not finish.
Everything. Say not get reach 20K for hand. So you can tell your wife, say, yeah, look, we're going to go. Those ones come first, come back. By the time when the money reach in hand, when he give him mama, give him sister, give him uncle, everybody back.
This money won't send.
Yeah. He sent him 300K. By the time they say when they land for airport like this, he say for he no go ever smell past Boxing Day. Say Boxing Day 26 like this, in the run come back. But when you run come back, what you go do? Because for village, if you cross over, you get to make all of the crossover with you.
New crossing up. The money where you give them yesterday money now.
So we can't think, say, okay, but we've organized something. So we can't do something for my house. So my house, we go do party, people go come, Upper Williams, Richard, all those people. They'll come, we go drink, we shark, we boss bottle, as they call it, boss bottle.
Boss bottle.
Then we go say, wait, this thing safe. Because and when people hear, say
they'll come show.
They'll come show.
Don't show now. And when they show alone.
They will carry people. Because I said that they say, oh, but where they go? I go Alibaba house. Hey, oh yeah, they come. Small time say drop it, they come. He says, they come. They say, I can't call and say, I say, who they give them this info? Then we check. If they said at the Alibaba house, group food here. I said, bring the phone. I look at. Don't say reach 10 people. Don't 10 people. Don't forward. I say, okay.
Before you know, you can't be like community, don't gather for your, they get community meeting for inside your house.
Oh boy, and you know how my wife been in her kitchen, just the balls that they cook.
But you don't chop on my food.
Are you telling me who are you?
You don't chop on my
You don't fit tell him.
Who are you? Excuse me?
But
that thing I speak in my language, what do you think I was talking about?
The only thing is, I said, one time, I go one party, so we consider they argue. Wait, Ali, true, you don't eat dog. I say, lie, never eat dog. What would they go for house? What would they go house? Once I come, my wife say, if they ask you that question for another place, not swell. I say, what's that supposed to mean? He say, it's just advice.
No, I'm just telling you.
Say,
just
in
advice.
case they don't say, carry something, swear. Don't swear. I said, what do you mean by that? He said, just
take a like that.
I can't think the thing. I can't tell her MD. I say, my wife don't say then talk. He don't jump dog! Anyway, so we can plan, say, okay, say, January 1st, we go to do one. But the thing is, say, we can also see, say, say, all the awards that they do for Nigeria, na settlement or this one. I say, okay, so the best thing is, say, make we do award, maybe say, no negotiation. No negotiation. Person when the first win gold medal for Nigeria, they're not the prize out.
They're not the prize out.
The first female chief justice for Nigeria, they're not the prize out. The first person to start private radio station, they're not the prize out. All those kind of things. First person to even start get Nobel Prize, Wole Soyinka, they're not the prize out. So all those guys say, I say, we could do that kind of work.
Also, you get person who want to talk to you from Abuja. Stanley, good evening from Abuja.
Yeah, good evening.
How you doing, my brother?
Now we thank God. Happy New Year in advance.
My brother sent to you. How is the ministry?
Well, we are already in the permanent site.
Hallelujah, somebody. The king of comedy is here.
Now, Abuja, they call from. Abuja. Your hand touched that Dasuki money. Okay, no. Stanley.
My brother.
Your hand touched the Dasuki money.
No, lie. Does it today on you?
No, not lie. Nah. If my hand touched that money. Hey! Even some pastors when their hand touched that money.
Oh, you don't see that 1.2 billion for special prayer? Which kind of prayer be that?
Hey! I don't see that one. Stanley, you hear of 1 waiting for prayer?
No, I don't hear that.
I hear 1.4 billion for prayer. Now 2 different money for prayer.
Stanley.
Sir?
Now you they come from Abuja. What did they happen that side?
Nah, they're body on a system there, Wazobia.
Now all Hamatan had reached this side, all.
I tell you, here, this one passing.
We not get Hamatan here now. Hamatan for here they learn. I grew up for Kaduna. My mama part the Kaduna. Hamatan they learn work for here. Now Abuja and Kaduna.
I don't say when Hamatan did like this, rain must not fall. If small rain fall, finish. It go worse. How traffic for that? Halfway, say, fuel scarcity did that side.
I tell you, if you see queue today or
Kuje,
Q.
Eh?
For Kuje.
You get fuel, and be that.
No, it depends on the area. That
Depend on the area. Depend on the area.
Stanley.
Stanley, but you get fuel.
Before you go get fuel for Abuja, you go stay like 5 hours.
See, go that filling station where they area 10 near Arts Council.
Yeah.
Tell them say that me send you.
Okay, now you go give me pass now.
I say tell them say that me send you.
Tell them.
Give you.
Say Ali Baba send you.
Say I send you. Say me you call.
Tell Ali Baba make you give me pass. Make I go there.
Also, you know, say no belly and they hear this thing. Other people they hear and they go, yo, some way they near there now.
Everybody know that Stanley.
So when they use China phone, where they traffic. Where you? Ali Baba, see him. He say make I
But I see 89 naira, Abi.
No, not the 89 naira, 87 naira per liter.
Okay, that they sell now.
But line the queue, my brother. This Christmas, I don't know how you go be.
They say DPR go one man place for Abia State. Then I say, why are you selling for over 120? They say, you see fuel. You know how much I buy this one. Carry your DPR go outside.
You know how much I buy this. You know where I buy this one.
You know where I buy this one.
Stanley, Obi from Lekki. Good evening.
Good evening.
How is you, my brother?
I tell you, I say this guy they bust everybody brain.
Talk to Ali Baba.
No, the truth, boss.
Eh?
Now Dambe, younger brother, they talk. I seen Ahmed, husband.
Oh, Anna.
I do. Sure, you still remember for that place where now in the whole pump your big tires for those motos.
Oh, see. This one when new governor don't enter, they find tax. So make everybody don't talk say I get big motor. Because this my feeling give me different tax.
Yeah, now just tell them say the price that you say make we buy fuel now. They no green sell for me now. Invest they call you.
No, you go use better voice.
How make we arrange this thing? Because somebody been to talk about transparency and governance today. Ethnicity and waiting supposed to happen because of this. Bro, that's how we go the day.
No, not be so we go the day. Not be so we go the day. Make them just share that money reach everybody.
Yeah.
That's all.
No, but you get people who collect this D money.
Eh? What do I like? Wait till happen for her? Make them just share.
Make them just share and make all of us just. If everybody just hold 1 billion.
You understand? We all rest.
If man just sharp, yes,
Obi.
Yes, boss.
If everybody hold 1 billion now, why not go there again now?
As I talk to you, sir, I'm not going to even greet anybody for street.
Nothing like say pastor come say offering no. Say pastor you don't get your
tithes not there for this one.
No.
Tithes not
now because things tight, that made they give us this one. So no tithes.
All same now, bro.
Well done,
okay, thank you very much. Good night.
Well done.
You're welcome.
Also, you know, see this that took money. Plenty. All those guys waiting for Sanusi for some of them collect money.
They're not going to say that the money
they're not going to say that. And some artists may perform for.
Eh?
They do.
I didn't blame
They
you.
go ask everybody to bring money back.
Also, no, the people who go bring money back now. Now Idris Abdulkarim, I don't think get money back because you don't care if
See, I tell you.
person go pay money. We go collect pay money back for all those events when they do that time. Comedy, I don't want to go comedy part.
No, Cliff is drunk.
Cliff is drunk, but drunk.
But Cliff go say, I was drunk.
I didn't know.
I have no
Uche from Rivers State.
recollection whatsoever.
Uche from Rivers. Ngwa call us back.
I hear you talk.
Not be quarrel now.
Not be fight. How far, Uche? Hey, you know? Who the governor now? Who be the governor now?
Now, who be the barrister? Is the one you can week?
Nice to be governor.
Yes.
Okay, one borough now, one Rotary governor before. Rotary governor of Rotary Club.
If it's the clerk, I'm not hearing it. The clerk.
Avi, you don't hear us well.
Okay. I hear you.
You don't hear now.
I hear you.
Go outside, go upstairs, go climb rope, climb pole.
Yours they waka up and down.
Waka go front, come back. Bend down.
Pause.
Pause. That's all. Oh yeah, bend down, pause.
I like that song.
You never hear this song?
No play. Hey, no play, amo.
Play the song, play the song. What's a minute play the song?
NBC, mind yourself.
Whiskey and run down. Oh yeah, baby, now bend down. Also, if you see the video of that song, will they go break? Will they come back? Also, if you see the video, we don't sing the prayer. We praise and worship. We can't. Bend down.
Make you just be yourself. You know, just be yourself. Be yourself.
For latest yarns and tori from your Sempe programs, where they on top Wazobia TV, waka enter Facebook, www.facebook.com/Wazobia TV.
Nation to stand still. Tell Nigerians who do me this thing. Power with they get, they call veto power.
Right, welcome back. You still on top of the Good Morning Nigeria show.
They say if you go knock person on top of the road and the person buy, so then go charge you with a murder case.
Yeah, we take it all down. Yeah.
Welcome time that we trust to such of entertainment in Nigerian gist.
Sports levels with this.
The matter when they bring on top health corner.
You only know for one Papa Georgia.
Feel it. Good morning, Nigeria.
Be part of the conversation. Watch on youtube.com/Nigeria Info FM. Or better still, log on to nigeriainfo.fm and experience a whole lot more. Nigeria Info FM, your #1 talk, news and sports station.
On the phone now. Yeah. And he said that everything will be finalized by tomorrow. That guy is a sharp worker, he's not a sharp shooter.
Do like this. When you get to the States, you get to the airport, you just do like this.
You see, Coco and Nakman, they're on the way out of this country. You see, I can see the flight going now.
This is not the Bucci that we gave you 150,000 naira to 300,000 naira, the two of us. What I mean is not cheap. What? Every road.
I don't pay money. I said to JJ, I'll collect my money back.
Oh, really?
Really? Oh, I don't need your English. You're not pidgin. I want now.
Robo.
What's up, Robo?
Well, so question. Now, so now.
Saying that. You don't know the group. You don't know your group. What is the name of this group?
Come on, 5 o'clock when I was here. Come on, enter here.
All right, now, most of what they cost most of the now fuel. Federal government want to try. Just 3 times on Wazobia TV.
Why did you take that DVD? I picked it in your room. How did you access my room?
I do not have that much power. Because I'm not the governor. I don't agree with you, sir.
Are you still divorcing, Mom? Please don't.
Yes,
Dance up now.
Dance up now. Dance on TV.
Dance up now. You can't dance what on TV? Oh yeah, they do dance up. Play for her. Okay, now this is for Shalanga.
Exercise for Shalanga. For those who want go toilet. Now for those who want go toilet.
Okay, aerobics class. Bend down.
Now Jeff, now give them this.
They know me if they come on.
Now exercise. Also about that, I just remember now before we forget, go talk another thing now. About this money, this Mr. D money.
I say you won't talk January 1.
No,
What did they do you
back
now?
to January 1.
Now they find sponsors for January 1st before.
January 1st.
They find some. Let the man for just go meet.
I swear, because that guy, the way that guy take the divert money, that guy's supposed to be traffic
warden. He not the divert, he was helping.
He was not traffic warden, that guy's supposed to be.
Meanwhile, if you just look at him, you will just say, oh,
Sauce a very gentleman.
You know, they say one bros FF don't keep quiet since they were.
It be like say that in touch your hands, but he never talk.
He never talk. That guy never agree talk since.
Do you know the many hands that man has spread into?
No, that money. If people say the guy knows, say man, this
even
go
people
backfire.
that me and you know, Nedu, inside.
I don't know.
I will tell you after.
Yeah? Nedu.
I don't know. Now she know. Hello. Good evening.
Hello. Is that PMB?
Hello. Please, I'm innocent.
There's an innocent man here. His hand was in the security advisor's pocket.
Hello, good evening. Hello, who do you on the line?
Hello, Nedu.
Hey, Kukbe.
Anthony.
You don't know this guy? Kukbe, Anthony Kukbe. Guy with it.
Hey. My guy, Hala.
Hello, Big Boy.
How about you, I know?
How are you? Hello.
We did. In they help me promote my show.
Yeah, if I Instagram, I mean.
Boy.
Yala.
I heard you one day, please.
My show go dey fine now. Yeah, now I want to talk something make people know. This boy, in they do promo, they hype shows, they hype this thing. So me understand yesterday for outside, all this one guy come push one woman come for wheelbarrow, come begin beg money. Him when no normal too, they there. When they don't, when I say, as you normal, so you they beg money. See this guy, they hustle. You like, come on, I tell her, say, you see, people when they was past yourself, they not they beg money.
You need to see this guy. He's.
Hello.
Hello. Sorry. Now, devil walk.
Nedu.
Hey, my guy, my G.
Are you what? No.
No, now I want it. Katim, she dance this song.
You fit dance this song.
You fit dance am.
Katim.
Ma, sir.
How you doing?
See me, yo, my brother. How now?
Why? I like die of Calabar die.
Thank you so much. Don't mind now with your get on only, but don't worry, you don't get by community.
They go cost you not go know. They go cost you not go know.
Cooper now abuse it, now swear that they swear for you, so.
How can I swear for you now? I couldn't amazing thing my dog cook.
He said not go swear for you, go just swear small, you'll catch up.
Cooper, Onos from Delta, good evening.
Good evening, Nedu.
Onos, how far now?
I hear you.
My brother, let me say you know everything. This is how your name be your nose. You are only knowing.
Your nose.
In your nose. Onos, talk to us. Andy Baba Day here.
Now you want to talk to Nedu.
Oh yeah, hey, you leave my king. Talk to me, I hear you.
I'm happy to see you now because I'm not going to feel that for start time again.
Hey.
You still pay me well.
Time change.
So, just before yesterday, when I talk to you now.
Yeah, leave time change. Now it happen. Now time change.
I just been watching that, so I never know that topic for today.
No, where we get the king of comedy? Which kind of topic we want get? We got to leave here now. We're not in that topic alone.
Onos. Onos, how on that side now? How Delta?
We define no.
Which side you dey? I look with Saple worry pattern where you dey. Ugeli. Ugeli, talk about Ugeli.
Ma be Cubo.
Cubo, Cubo. What is the Cubo here? Ono so denu re.
Ngwana.
What come here? Pamos barasha washi pojo Joshua de Cubo cho. Wash up with your ship pojo jo.
But what we go, you want to robo.
Eh?
Over what we go, you want to robo.
Make a quick bow. I know why they are.
No, not abuse me, so.
No.
No, for that, for now.
He said I get face like Igbo man. How come I speak Igbo?
Alibaba way. You got to speak our language, like Calabar,
Our language be like Calabar. Our language now Europe.
Because they do what they do for them, they do to with the cause.
No. If one cause they do, we don't cause. If one cause they do, say head be like Banga.
What, they can't do nothing more than it ain't right. Speak your own.
Je l'ai pas joué, j'ai tous les vents. Onos! J'ai tous les vents, tu les vois.
Allô, ma gare.
Oh, I know my garage.
Not all.
Now you two garage. You two garage. You two garage.
You are very correct.
You say your head no correct. So you know why I know say that
you two garage.
You know why I know say that waiting because that was he had no correct. That is it. I can't do it.
Oh no, thank you very much.
You are decoding me with common sense.
That is it. And I'm
Shadrach from Jos, good evening.
Shadrach, where is Meshach and Abednego? Where is Meshach and Abednego?
They don't come out too.
Shadrach,
it's supposed to block by
Shadrach, for Jos, the cold way they Jos. Hey, you know say when you dey brush mouth, you dey brush like this. But when you go Jos, you go hold it. Now you go dey shake. Cold for Jos. To fear.
Cold for Jos, no the reason play.
Rain they fall, ice block.
Are you just kidding me?
I'm telling you. Ice block. Rain go they fall, you they see ice block. Are they lie?
Once they drop on ice.
Ice they drop. When rain they fall.
They call wear jacket.
Oh, they call wear jacket. Even call wear jacket. In the fear, you call they catch cold.
So you know that was now winter for Jos right now.
In the fear itself.
All right, no wahala, Shadrach. Thank you for calling, yeah?
Where is madam?
Good night.
Shadrach from down Jos. Shadrach, be down Jos. Shadrach.
He said, I think say now only me that song they catch. You see?
Ose,
I go find out.
Ose, if person wait they NSA now call you now say, I watch you for Good TV this evening. I watch you for multi.
So they won't give me my own.
Say no. Say I'll call you. I live about how now. Say fine. We're calling you from Abuja, and this is from the NSA's office.
Yeah.
Actually, we heard you talk about sponsors for your January 1 show.
Yeah.
From the NSA office, we would like to support you.
Bring them. Bring them. I mean, they don't return the word that they talk.
Bola from Ikorodu, good evening.
Good evening, Chinedu.
How you there? The pastor return waiting. How you there, Bola?
I did fine, how your side?
We did fine. Talk to us. I live one day I see you.
I greet Baba for there.
My brother, Hannah. How you
I did fine,
Well done.
Baba, you don't do.
My brother, I taste small, no vex.
Yeah, I happy as I see you today, sir. I don't taste more.
You know they listen to them on Nigeria Infos.
I don't really listen to that.
Then that is why you say it don't take because it's always on Nigeria Infos. 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. For say more that time. Maybe I could make it. I go for 1. You get to say between 2 p.m. and 4 p.m.
Not my program they talk so.
Everybody may say radio.
But now witchcraft meeting in the talk so.
Sweet lady, you show up today.
I get it. I'm going to the pink lady.
Who we are pink?
I don't really understand you. You name na Nedu or na Shinedu.
Who?
Hey! Your name now.
Which one you hear?
Which one you hear?
I dey hear Nedu, but me I believe say na Shinedu.
Which? No be Nebuchadnezzar. Oh Nebu, no be Nebuchadnezzar. Nedu, I don't know the one that saw. I don't know.
Baba, I don't mind saying that. Baba, I greet you.
Bola, if I tell you what I live about talk now, Jesus Christ, you're not gonna fit sleep this night. Anyway, Bola, thank you. Good night. So, okay, you collect the money because how say you say you don't hear that thing?
No, it's
I'll ask you. We'll talk about this by review. 1.4 billion for special prayer for Acacia something. From Pt.2, good evening.
Ingo mentioned them as
hello, good evening.
Chukuma, how now?
Are they fine? Good evening.
Talk to us.
Evening.
Yeah, Ali the Great.
Hey, my brother.
Ali the Great.
Hey.
Ali the Great.
Hey, I don't know the guy. I don't know the guy.
Now for Nigeria Info.
I'm a guy for Nigeria. He must call me 3 times.
This somebody that knows you.
If not this one, 9-day NSA office, now 3 times if for collect money. And you know, everything that
you need to do. Ali the Great. Ali the Great, they look younger.
Who, me?
I tell you.
When I broke, that's why I didn't do anything. By time I 40, things go.
So, Ali, before I come, make I tell you the kind of story where Nedu talk. You know, say person where talk story, no, they remember.
Yeah.
Nedu talk say, you know, they use visa, travel go Europe. So if you want to go Europe, you go just enter house, you don't reach Europe. You know true. Now they do and you talk, make you no lie.
Hey! Hey! Chukuma! Oh, yeah, deny now.
Now, which day I talk? He said me and you.
He talks in a football age you they use. So you get the time where you mark 65 years. Come bring them down to 50. Nedu, I lie.
My brother, you're not going to make heaven. You will not make heaven, I swear. I will make sure you don't make heaven.
Nedu, Shebi, I tell you, I get one show for you.
Oh, say, you will believe this guy.
Shebi, I tell you, I get show for you.
Oh, say, you don't believe this guy. Oh, say, no.
Where this boy, where's Shakara number, sir?
Okay, also, you don't say it doesn't me and you.
You don't say Chukuma, they call 3 times.
Chukuma.
No, Chukuma is a die-hard
Chukuma.
He not there again. Don't talk
Chukuma 3 times. You will not make heaven. Patricia from me, I call her 3 times. Patricia, good evening.
Hello?
Patty? Ngwa, call us back.
One guy don't call me for one late night program before. Call me. I say, hello. He say, I say, hey? He go use person phone call. I say, hello. He say, yeah, how are you? I say, yeah, where are you calling from? I say, Koi. I say, so what is he Koi like? Wait,
You know when I didn't know they put in phone call? Now when did they call you? When did they talk? So how far? I'm on the thing there. Yeah, beep, 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 beep. You go to see the person who get phone, they call. What's that? January 1. How far? What's up?
Okay, that January 1st show, we're planning to really bring a lot of excitement. By the way, would they select comedians? Would they choose next group of comedians? When we say, you know, we do something spontaneity all through the year. You pick paper, anything where they write for the paper.
You crack joke about
that. You crack joke. So that people will know say joke, not be say you cram something, make it just come from the body. And we don't buy one brand new car. When the best comedian we will select through go win.
Okay, so panel of judges, who go select, who go the judge?
Now the people with the inside audience.
You get one guy will come, I not come, he pay me so I not come. Now that day we will go pay look. Okay. Also spontaneity. Okay. That guy will talk big about shoe.
Okay.
Samuel from Magodo, good evening. Hey, Malam, yeah, catch
what you doing, Kaki?
Kaga television din ka wallahi lai volume din kadan reggae ka ji ko?
Yes, reggae.
To ni zai reggae na
reggae the blues. Anyi.
Ka reggae to ka bana magana muna jin ka.
To ka ina so yi magana da mana Ali ne kai.
To yana jin ka.
No, not talk to me. Never talk better thing. You don't the point and come back. Why does that?
Where you did they talk your language? It's Kata language for there.
Hey, Hannah.
These are the same person.
The same Samuel.
You know the other people do me on that thing.
That can be on your language. Instead of our different language.
Samuel Guamuku.
The same to you.
Oh, Samuel. So, now the thing about them. Okay. You see me the good tongue say iko irongomo. I mean tongue this say iko irongomi. Then you tongue this say iko irongomo.
He said what you are doing is going to affect the economy.
I be one award here.
I'll gift. I wish you the same.
Bye, Samuel. Ose continue.
So then the comedians go come out. So I will give paper to everybody for inside the audience, and then go write what they want make the crowd. So if the person writes telephone, if the person write drum, if the person write DJ, if the person write shoe.
So you will just pick one random.
Just pick one paper
and give
crack your joke.
Crack joke.
Easy to win moto.
May they not write Dasuki because anybody will write Dasuki. The person will Dasuki tear.
Then they play you must tear.
You go tear.
So that
material plenty. If you use 1 hour, they do Dasuki.
Some people no fit tear because it depends on your punches line.
Abi?
Depend on your punches.
Because
if your punches line
as you pick up. You don't see that when they do the selection, when they make all the other senior comedians they come pick. Everybody dodge them.
Not be everybody. Everybody they sit down build joke. Okay, you can't come. You go use like 1 week. Now sir, now they give plenty people jokes now. You know how many people I know say also don't get. From Sule, good evening, Joe. Sorry, so they keep you waiting. Yinka.
Hello, good evening.
How you doing, my brother? Would they hear you talk to us?
I do.
Your TV they too loud. Bye bye. Good night. Call us back. What's it?
So they go win that one. Then we get raffle draw. Okay. You get a lot of people win. They always get Christmas gifts. The way they get the hampers. Some of them don't go use them. So people go bring. They will begin raffle all those things out. People go win prizes, cash prizes day too. And wait.
Also, you get one thing where I go gist you. So I go MC one event. I think say na cash then go give me.
They give you what
and the guy carry voucher. I go show you this.
Nice one, Katim, short man, Nedu, and the finest DA, ECB. Ali Baba, why is table for show? Eh? Why is table for show 1 or 2 million?
Okay. Make I answer that one.
Nah, okay.
Wait, now make I answer that one. What did they do us for this country? We say we don't they put our eye for the one way consign us. If you want travel, go London. If they say economy seat now 50,000. Just buy your ticket for 50. Not ask why this other person they pay 1.5 million for first class. It don't concern you. Not be that one. Just buy your own. Because what is some people don't know? We say those people when they pay 2 million, 3 million for table. Now their money they take care of these other people. Now,
of course.
Because when you calculate them, if you do 5,000, 3,000 people never pay for hall.
Also, love it for me, boy. Love it. Good evening.
3,000 people never pay for hall.
How you there, my sister?
I did fine. Oh, it's a catchy long time.
Oh, sweet girl, love it, the loved one. I don't know how is you. How is things?
You say you go Abuja na true?
Yes.
They call her for.
That's okay.
Then, Mr. D.
Say you carry something come for us.
I just try, oh.
You carry call.
You carry call. You go pay back.
I say I just try, yo. You know me yes or no. Please.
What about they argue? Now, did they lie?
No, we're not. Shebi na her lie. Sorry, na her talk.
Sweet girl, you want to talk to bros?
Mr. Ali Baba, I greet you.
I greet you, madam. I greet you well. How was the week, oh?
God is great.
Abi, well done. You don't prepare for Christmas, Abi? You don't prepare for Christmas?
I don't prepare. I remember Wazobia TV, maybe they give me their own.
Okay. You go travel for Christmas, Abi, you go day Lagos for Christmas. Okay, you there, boy. You dey come Lagos, Abi, you go celebrate for a boy.
No, I won't finish with my boyfriend, so I go call Lagos.
Okay. Your boyfriend?
Don't finish him.
You won't finish him?
You don't serious, baby.
You say you won't finish him before you
say you won't finish your boyfriend before you go Lagos.
This the guy go say escort you go airport.
Love it, yo. You say you won't finish your anger.
Love it.
Yeah.
My sister won't grease your
the Lord be with you in your endeavor.
Omolara from Ikoyi, good evening. Omolara from Ikoyi. Omolara, call us back. I'll say back to January.
So, people go win gifts. Okay, right. So, what we will say, if you count like, we get 2,000 seats, I mean 1,300 seats, what would they charge 6,000? When you calculate that 1,300 seats, about like 600K. The hall for a co-hotel alone, at 22 million now.
Of course.
So, when you calculate that, like, if you do 5,000 or 6,000, you don't go pay.
You don't go even pay anything.
Right. Now, you never, and then, what would they do? We say, would they use those big people? Where would they charge that big money?
Take pay
everything, so that those other people feel enjoy the thing too. And then
Adebola, you don't understand them now. You went ask for on top twister. I have a guess with twister. Okay. Why is the table for show? Now you have here your answer to your question.
Ronnie, he said, hello, you haven't fulfilled the press jam tickets. Ronnie, the press jam ticket never they available yet.
That is the problem.
That make you never get them. Never they available.
But they're not it's good not to let tickets come out too early.
Too early.
Because you go get different praise jam for them. One go there blue shade.
Then you go to quarrel and say no, but I buy it in your specified outlet.
Oh, by the way, you know what they do AY? They print the fake AY tickets. The fake one that AY they claim say be old. Because they claim pass. AY say, this is my ticket. This one is fake. Now the people they tell us say, bros, now our own be this. Now our own be the fake one. Those boys, they improve in tickets.
So, Ronnie, you heard now.
Because now the same thing they do for him film.
Hey.
Why we never print out tickets? Now because of say people go print the one we find pass.
No, you don't
go
say.
be print jam.
They go be print. So run it next week. Don't worry yourself. Run it on Praise Jam. A day before Praise Jam, you are going to get your ticket. To promise you, you're going to get a ticket. Everybody when we say don't win Praise Jam tickets, we will give you. In fact, throughout next week, we're going to give tickets for Praise Jam for those of you now. By the way, now Ali Baba now the host Praise Jam.
Yes, so
you know how it will be now.
So when we don't host and finish, now we go Congo. Sit down. Support event on January 1.
From Lekki, good evening.
Now spontaneity again.
From Lekki, do my man.
My brother, Akubi, how you doing now?
I hail. Let me hear you, Pat.
I hail, my brother. We get the king inside studio.
Keep the show going lively.
Thank you, my brother. Talk to our king of comedy.
I swear down. I just be very glued to the television because I think that guy who did here in a scam, I just have money won't collect. Imagine that question where that guy asked. How much you won't collect for VIP?
I don't know. I don't know.
Okay. Okay.
Adebola.
It's a scam. Okay, wait back. I tell you. Well, most times, when you calculate this, when you don't calculate the money of your show finish, you can begin divide them according to the number of people. So first of all, you divide them and say how many people fit down the hall. So okay, you don't spend about like 35, 36 million for the show. Never talk of advertising.
You never talk about artists where you go give.
Artists where you go pay. So everything for the show fee come to about like 60, 70 million. Oh, you don't see where basketball posting.
I pay poster for Instagram now.
Cost. People they ask her for free tickets.
People now they know how much it cost to pay.
So when you don't put all those costs together, meanwhile, the VIP, when they pay that kind of money, you give them 3-course dinner. You give them champagne and wine because they pay for them.
Yes.
And those ones will tell you, say, as then they come there, they go want this one, they want this one, they want this one.
And you must give them. And
the place where table day and 10 chairs day, they take space of about 25 chairs. Where you don't put chair, that table, the space where people will sit down.
25 chairs go fit there.
So 25 chairs fit there. So now make you, they look and say, okay, 25 people supposed they here. Then you go pay for those 25 people, which is how it is in a plane. Now people use plane to describe them. Say, if you enter plane, you go see, say, place where 3 or 4 chairs supposed they now only 2
only 2 go there. That space.
That's why.
Then guys jam up together.
You know, sometimes now, like say somebody go talk, say, why they not they sell Benz, the price that they sell. You know?
You know those people die for his Benz, now heaven then they go.
But in any case, that make us feel they get.
No, but if in they get no, bros. But if you get.
Oh, may I tell you what will happen? You know, say Madam buy them for me for birthday. I can't go one event. When the event finish, when the event finish, as they drive, they come out. Those area boys come give us something, give us. And they drive, they come. I know they like those area boys because they annoy me. Because some of them don't they beg since I come Lagos.
They see they beg.
See they beg. I drive, they go. Now I walk out, tap the door. You just they do like then not be the dash you this motor.
Anyway, double toilet to everybody when they visit up on our stock when the show time not day again.
What's the time of January 1?
January 1 event.
From 4 p.m. From 4 p.m. on the 1st.
P.m. January 1 event from 4 p.m. for Eco Hotel and Suite. Trust me. Trust me.
Ticket 6,000 naira. Then for the other ones you go call.
And the rest. All of them thank you.
Tickets go this for area tickets they sell, and then if you call 3333 0000.
3333 0000.
Or just go onto the line and Google it.
All the area boys will know what's happening. What a good name.
Rantan and Weezy car, yeah, from everything.
Why did you take that DVD? I picked it in your room. How did you access my room?
I do not have that much power. Because I'm not the governor. I don't agree with you, sir.
Are you still divorcing, Mom? Please don't.
Yes,
The boy was arrested as a substitute for his boss who traveled to China.
If I wake you up by 5 a.m. for prayers tomorrow, no stories.
No story.
For latest yarns and tori from your Sempe programs, where they on top Wazobia TV, waka enter Facebook www